Hello. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to target your ideal customer avatar for Google Ads or for pretty much any kind of online advertising, be it Microsoft Ads, Facebook, TikTok. Avatar is the same. So, how we can use your ideal customer avatar for these marketing channels. So, there are 6 things which you need to take into account. The first one is to translate your ICA, which is the ideal customer avatar. Some people call it ICP as well, ideal customer profile. Both of them are the same, two keywords. Second, configure demo and location, leverage audience segments, craft resonant ad copy, align ad formats and extensions. And the last one is to optimize with performance data. So let's start with the first one. So this one is identify search terms and questions based on your ICA's pain points and goals. So what is search terms, or what are search terms? So when you go to Google and you type in, let's say, best time management tool or productivity hacks or tips by iPhone 17, whatever you type in that search bar is the search term. Keywords are what you are targeting in Google Ads. So these are two different things. Search terms are what people searching online, and the keywords are the ones which you've got already in your campaign. They may be same, similar, but quite often it is that you will not be able to target each and every search term, because every time they will put in a different search term, which will be very similar to your keyword. First, you need to identify those. What is the pain point? Why do you go to Google? It's because when you have a problem or a pain point, you go there searching for answers. Nowadays, we go to ChatGPT, Gemini, and all these other places as well. So you need to first find out what is the pain point, the challenges, frustrations, the things which are keeping your avatar sleepless at night. Find those out. Now you got the Google Keyword Planner as well, where you can search for what people are searching on Google. So that's a very easy and quick way, and absolutely free way of finding out what people are searching online. What is the pain point? So if you've got lots of people searching for, let's say, best time management tool, that means you've got a big market. But if you've got a small number of people searching for that search term, that means very few people are searching for that search term. Okay, so now let's move on to the second one, which is configure demographics and location. So location is fairly straightforward, and all of this is pretty straightforward. It's not very difficult or confusing. It's just common sense. Have a think. Where are they located? Are they locally within a 5 or 10 mile radius where you are based, or nationally, or maybe internationally? Find out. And if it's international, make sure that you know which countries, because every country will have different languages, different habits, different cultures. You know what I mean. So work out where they are. So if it's local and you just serve local customers, then it would be 5 to 10 mile radius around you. What's the age and the gender? Are they young people, middle age, or retired maybe? Are they men or women? And what sort of job or income level they may have? Obviously, you don't know everybody's situation as to how much they're earning, but you should get an idea that, okay, my ICP earns around 100,000 a year. So you can set the campaigns for age, gender, location, and also there is another feature in Google Ads, which is household income. So you can target the top 10% or top 20 or 50%. So the next one is the leverage audience segments. So you've got different types of audiences pre-built in Google Ads, which is really helpful. And you can target those audiences effortlessly. Google knows everything about us. It knows more about us than we know ourselves. So who's the in-market audience? In-market audience are those who have gone to Google and searched for a particular service, product, or a search term in the past, I believe, 7 to 14 days. So these are pretty hot audiences we are targeting. Then we've got the affinity audience, which is the long-term audience. So I'm a cricket fan and a football fan. I go and check the score every day. So I'm in that category of affinity audiences for cricket and football. And this is what you need to be able, you need to do if you want to target the affinity audiences. And then you can also create custom audiences as well. So you can tell Google, find me people who have searched these kind of search terms, or they have visited these kind of websites, or they are using these kind of apps, and it will do that for you. The fourth thing is craft resonant ad copy. Write headlines and descriptions that speak directly to your ICA, and it needs to speak their language. It isn't about me, it is about them. So you got to be very careful as to what you write, how you write it. Got to address their pain points, right? So it could be like something like save 5+ hours per week, boost efficiency with our top rated tools, learn more, something like that. The next one is align ad formats and extensions. So you've got the ad, and then you've got the site links, structured snippets, call outs, lots of extensions in Google, which you can use to expand your ad and add more information to it. So choose the format first of all, whether it is a text ad, image ad, which is a display ad, or a video ad, and then extensions that fit the relevant ads properly, which also reflects the ICA's behavior. Then the next one is optimize with performance data. Regularly review metrics to refine keywords, bids, and audience lists for better results. What are the metrics which you are looking for? For a video campaign, it could be views, impressions, click-through rates. For direct call to action ads, it could be conversions, conversion rate, cost per conversion. For an e-commerce website or a business, it could be the return on ad spend. So all of these metrics, you must have an idea as to what is important for you and your business. Everybody's business is different, and everybody's metrics will be different as well. So you can create a simple dashboard, or just use a good old spreadsheet or Google Sheets. Doesn't need to be complicated with lots of different pie charts and graphs and all that. Just a simple daily tracker where you're tracking all the data on a day-to-day basis, so that you don't get your eye off the ball. And once you've done all of this, you will find that you are targeting the right audience or the person. Your ads are relevant to them and aligned as well. And the last thing is your data, that yes, it shows all of these in a simple and easy to understand data. So hope you enjoyed this video. I would truly appreciate if you can give it a little thumbs up and a like for more videos like this. Bye for now.